Hey YouTube, this is another action figure review. This is the Spider-Man No Way Home Iron Spider. Seems like people got confused with this figure, saying like that the eyes are white on the box, but the figure's eyes are blue. I actually got this figure because of the Spider-Man Remastered video game. It looks just like in the video game, and I feel like they may have modeled it after the video game. I'm not sure, but in the video game, when Spider-Man is crawling through dark spaces, his eyes light up to provide, illumination so he can see. So they're kind of like eye flashlights, and it's a bluish color, so it doesn't, I guess it doesn't stand out like a flashlight. But I love the blue eyes. They're very useful in the video game. They allow him to, see, what's going on in front of him. So, straight up, out of the box, I kind of knew what was going on with that. And that was kind of the main reason why I got him, was because I played the video game, and the Spider-Man Remastered video game. It's really fun. It's really, good. And yeah, so this is the front of the box, side of the box, back of the box, side of the box. We're gonna take him out of the box. Yeah, guys, so this is how he comes out of the box. That thing is alternate neck for the Tom Holland head. I don't have a spare head, so but I kind of mainly got this figure because it reminded me of the Peter Parker in the game, which looks nothing like Holland, so it doesn't bother me as much. I may get the head down the road just to go with my Iron Man, with the SH Figuarts Iron Man 5 years later. Be kind of nice to have them side to side with Tony Stark, but everything looking good here. Bunch of hands. I'm not gonna mess with the eyes, it's too much. I like the way the eyes are now. A lot of posable hands, a lot of webbings, and mechanical arms with attachment in the back. So we're gonna take him out of the box and test his articulation. So yeah, guys, this is how he is out of the box. He's actually a really petite figure. Stands about 6 inches or so, but really skinny. I'll bring out a Marvel Legend. You can see the size difference, but it seems like they try to scale it with the movie and with the SH Figuarts line. So, but the compare, so you got you know, the paint job on the SH Figuarts can't compare. You know, this other armor suit, Spider-Man, it's kind of like, you know, it satisfies like a little bit of the figure, you know, but you know, it's lacking detail. Like the hand, it only comes with one set of hands. The armors can't really move however you want. So it's a really kind of stiff figure. So yeah, the SH Figuarts, you know, seems like it's more posable, you know, more realistic, and kind of like, it's just like, it's kind of like that complete figure that can kind of capture Spider-Man very well. So we're gonna do articulation, head moves 360, shoulder rotation 360, shoulder rotation 360, no issues. Bicep swivel, double jointed elbow, ball joint hand, wrist kind of rotates too. Bicep swivel, double jointed elbow, ball joint hand. Crunch. No gaps. I don't see any gaps on there. Can't really move side to side. The torso. Upper half can a little bit, but lower half can't. Do the split. Split. Split like this. Very well. Leg articulation. Double jointed knees. Double jointed knee. Foot is on the ball joint. Doesn't really rotate. Oh, it does rotate. Foot. Rotating. Ball joint foot. So, gonna put him in some poses and see what he got going on. yeah, guys, amazing figure, amazing paint job. The arms don't weigh the Spider-Man down too much. Bunch of arms, you know, hands, webbings, amazing figure. The cons are that it's very delicate, can be downright annoying sometimes trying to like get the, you know, hands and parts in the right position and stuff. You know, it's a very delicate action figure, a little bit smaller than the Hasbro Legends. You know, the Hasbro Marvel Legends, you buy it, you pose it, and you just throw it on the shelf. It's just like, you know, you just kind of, there's just not too much to mess around with. But here, tons of parts, tons of pieces. You know, if this is something that you really want, you know, go for it. But for someone who maybe it's just a lot of parts and pieces and things to flip out and move around, and the ball joints on the hands are tiny. But I love this figure. It looks fantastic. You know, I always store my pieces separately, and my figures, but it's a lot of pieces, and it's just it's a kind of a little bit of a smaller action figure, but it is really amazing looking figure. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys, and take care.
All units, a supply truck carrying stable equipment has gone dark. Incident is ongoing near Union Square. Please copy.
Hammerhead's guys are raiding those trucks. Can't they just go to the store like everyone else? I can't believe you guys were having a block party and didn't invite your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man!
They'll be cleaning you off the walls when I'm done! We're losing men! Huh?
Can't even imagine what the people in Simcaria are going through right now. Hope they